Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, this is Core's Life and my name is Ish. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a matcha latte. I don't know if any of you guys love matcha as much as I do, but I am obsessed with it. Every time I go to a cafe, I always end up buying some kind of matcha related drink or food or something. So I have been wasting so much money on matcha, and I just wanted to replicate a matcha latte that I can make at home super easy, super quick, that will satisfy my matcha needs, but also will save me money. So if you're interested, keep watching. So for those of you that don't know what matcha is, I'm just gonna give a quick overview so that we can actually get started with making the matcha latte. So matcha is basically a green tea leaf which is high in health benefits. For example, it's great at increasing your metabolism, it's great at decreasing your cholesterol, and it's high in antioxidants. If you want a full list of health benefits, you can just search it online and you'll find a ton of them. Anyways, so let's continue with the video and get started with what you actually came here for on how to make the matcha latte.
Okay, so to make our matcha latte, we're going to start by adding some warm water into a bowl. To that, we're going to be adding some matcha powder. Here, I'm using the minimal matcha powder. It is ceremonial grade from Uji, Japan. I really love this one because it has a nice strong flavor and tastes great in a latte. But you can add whichever one you like. Add about 1 teaspoon into the warm water. Next, we're going to whisk this mixture. You want to whisk in a W motion. You want to keep going back and forth until you start to see the mixture starting to froth and bubble. Once that's done, you know that it's ready. You can set that mixture to the side. Next, we're going to froth our milk. Here I'm using some warm dairy-free milk. You can use whatever milk you would like. So once we're done, we can set that aside and choose a cup of our liking. I really love this cup because it reminds me to stay relaxed and calm. To this, we're going to add the matcha mixture that we previously made. Hopefully it should still be nice and frothy. Next, we're going to add the milk that we previously whisked. It should have a nice froth layer on top. That's my favorite part of every latte. After that, I usually add a little bit of matcha powder on top just to make it look nice. And then we are done. The next step is just to enjoy the latte, sit back and relax. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.